Hi guys, it's Kelly. Today I'm going to be doing a back to school makeup look. So I just kind of used some of my favorite products at the moment and did makeup that you guys can wear if you want to. Obviously you can modify it to what you like and what you don't like. Let's get into this video. Hi everyone, so the first thing I'm doing is putting on moisturizer. You can use primer, whatever you like, but I have dry skin, so this is what I do. Then I did concealer. You can do foundation, you could do BB cream, whatever you're into. I just only use concealer, so I'm just kind of putting that in places that they need to be put in, and then I'm just blending it out. Then I do a thin layer of translucent powder. I also have kind of oily skin, so I have to do this. And then I bronze because although it's summer and you're a little bit more tan than you were in the winter, still not tan enough. That's how I feel with everything. So I'm just kind of putting it in places that they need to be, and I'm making sure to blend it down to my neck because you don't want to have two different shades on your face. It's not cute. Then I'm applying blush to my cheeks just to give me that rosy glow. You know how it is. And I put on chapstick because I'm obsessed with chapstick. Then you gotta get that highlight poppin'. So I just used a little fan brush and put that on my cheeks. And then I prime my eyelids so it doesn't crease throughout the day. Then I use my Naked 3 palette and apply a base color all over my eyelids. And then do like a pinkish tan in my outer corners and use that in the crease of my eyelids too. And I use some mascara. And you can't forget the Glossier Boy Brow. My eyebrows like to move all over the place, so this is what I do. So that is it for the makeup. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. I post videos every Sunday. My school starts September 6th. Let me know when your school starts. It probably already did because I feel like in most of the country, everyone already started. Let me know what grade you're going into, if you're excited for school, how you feel, and follow all my social medias if you would like. They're always in the description down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!